Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now in today's video, we are going to look at how you can be able to add a Google manager to your Google business profile. So you want to add a manager to your Google business profile, but you don't know how you can be able to do that. Okay, so this is my Google business profile and I'm going to take you through how to be able to add a manager to it. So as you can see, this is SkyTech Digital's Google business profile over here, and as you can see we have 32 5-star reviews on Google. Means that we are doing well over here. So let's say you want to add a manager who will be able to manage your Google business profile for you, like create posts, add images, do all sort of things over here for you. And I'm going to take you through how you can be able to do that. Now first of all, make sure that you are on your Google business profile, and then make sure that you are logged into the email or the Google account that you use to create the Google business profile. Okay, otherwise you can't be able to have it done. Now since you are logged in, like I'm logged in over here, and as you can see this is my account over here, and this is what I use to you'll be able to have this particular things over here. Now let me take you to a different page so that you can be able to see what I'm talking about. So let's say I want to go to a different account. Okay, so let me go to a different account. Let me go to this account over here. Okay, so I'm going to go over here to this particular account, and as you can see, look at how it opens over here. Now this is it. Okay, I don't have this particular side over here because this account is different and is not managing this Google business over here. So make sure that you log in like this so that you can be able to have this access these things over here. Now once you are logged in like this, okay, you can be able to click on these three dots over here. Now another way to also log in to your Google profile is just to make sure that you go over here and then you go to your you go to search for Google business profile, or you can just click on this particular one and then you see your Google business profile over here. Okay, so when you go over here, you can be able to have this businesses that you've set up on Google over here. So as you can see, I have 3 different businesses on Google. Now if I click on this one, it's going to take me to the same place over here. Okay, so this is how I can be able to manage my business and other stuff. Now that we know how to be able to manage and all those things, now let's go to why we are on this in this particular video, watching this particular video. Now click on the 3 dots over here and then click on business profile settings. Just click on it, and then you see this one over here, people and access. Okay, that is what we are going to use, so click on it, and then over here you can be able to add a different person to your, or different account to your Google business. So we're going to click on this one, add, and then we search for the email address that we want to use. Now we will search for, I'm going to search for the email address that I'm going to use. So this is the email address. Okay, skytechdigital.com@gmail. So this one over here. Now once you enter the email address, this is what you have. Now this is over here which says the access. So you select the role you would like to grant this person to manage this business profile on search and then maps. So what role do you want the person to be, an owner or just a manager? Now if you want the person to be an owner, you can set this one over here. If you want the person to be just a manager, you can also do it over here. So let's say I want the person to be able to act as a manager. So what I'll do is I'll just click over here. Now manager can make changes to the business profile in Google search on maps. Now what the manager cannot do is to delete the business. The manager cannot delete it is only the owner who can be able to delete the business. So a manager can be able to manage your Google profile or Google business profile for you. So I'm setting as the manager, and then I'll go ahead and then click on invite. So once I click on invite, the invitation link is sent to the manager. So as you can see, this is pending over here. Okay, now let me go to my page over here, and then let me try and then refresh this one, and then I'm going to go to the emails. Okay, so I'm going to go to my Google email, and then to see if I have an email which is inviting me over here. So as you can see, this one says, well, Google Business Profile, I'm being invited over here to manage Kitech Digital. So I can click on it, and then all what I need to do is to click on accept over here, and then I'll be able to accept it. And then I click on accept again, and then I'll be able to accept and manage the profile. And as you can see, I can be able to manage this particular profile over here. And now, first we are not having this one, but now we have this one because I can be able to manage it, and I am the manager of this particular business. So this is how you can be able to add a manager to your Google Business Profile. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.